Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video for you guys. If you guys want to see how I slayed this wig all day, every day, don't forget to stay tuned to the next part of the video. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notifications are on as well. But yeah, we're gonna hop right into this video. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are back with another synthetic review. Okay. So we do have the Stylist Swiss lace silk top lace wig, and this is what it looks like. Okay. So this has a 4x4 full hand tied lace. Full hand tied silk lace part. You can part multi-directional on this unit, but like I said, they'll only give you this much space right here to part. So we're gonna see what we're working with. It's by the Stylist. I wanted to try, different, hair brands. So we're gonna see what this one does today. The package, she just fell out. She was ready to come out. So this is how it comes. This is secured in a hairnet, and we're about to take this bad boy off. Oh, look at this. As you guys can see, it has like hints of color to it. What color did I get? Color, I just wanted to do a little color today. F1B30. Sure does it, but it's like a color mixture. It's not too much, and this is for my ladies who are scared of color. You can just get something like this where the brown is mixed in, the whole unit is not that color. This, however, has a yucky texture feel, but it comes secured. As you see, it's the paper inside. It comes secure with this little white band thing on there. We're gonna take all of this off. I'm gonna show you guys the construction. As you guys can see, let me come up a little closer. As you guys can see, this is the construction of it. It was the shiny part. I don't know what that is. I don't know why. Hopefully it doesn't affect anything, but this is the 4x4 parting. It does give you room to create your baby hairs, which y'all know I'm a fanatic of. I can't live without them. It comes with the comb right here. It comes with the comb right here on the sides, and then it comes with the comb at the nape. And it does give you drawstrings. So this construction has these lines, which I know with certain styles they can bulk up, but it also allows your hair to breathe. So here is the color up close. Like I said, it's just a mixture. I just wanted to be different, to try out some color. And as you guys can see, the texture of this unit is yucky. I'm gonna see if I can press it out a little bit, because okay, y'all, when I tell y'all this wig is snug, this wig is snug. My head is big fitting. I don't know if it's gonna fit all the way on my head. Okay. So, woo! Go ahead and cut this band off. I love how I don't be having to add foundation because the lace is dark enough. Well, I may have to add some concealer because it looks too dark compared to my skin tone. But this lace is very, very snug, and I don't even have the drawstring pulled tight in the back. I had to loosen it up because I couldn't get on my head. So if you guys have a big head, be mindful that this may be too small. I don't know, this lace wasn't that soft to be Swiss, but I keep forgetting that this is synthetic. Okay, it's synthetic. So I don't ever wear units like this. Like, how can one just put it on and just be like this? It doesn't look realistic at all. It does not. I don't care what no one says. You cannot tell me just that looks realistic, because it does not. So y'all already know what I'm about to go in and do. This doesn't fit all the way either to the other side of my ears. This unit actually is a little bit too small for my head. foam wrap lotion to keep this part over here. That's why I get want it. There we go. Lay down, girl. Lay down. Going in with my got2b glue gel. So it's been a couple of minutes, probably like 5 or 10. We're gonna take her off and see how she's doing. Because the part is a little too dark. Shadow to cover it up. So I really think this would be, I'm getting a few tangles, but I really think this would be cute just for the people who don't really like a lot of color, because the color is not like showing, but it's like throughout there. Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro. I'm using it on the setting of 15 or 20. I don't want it too hot because I don't want it to melt. So I don't think people, oh yeah, the hotter the heat, you know, the more it'll straighten. No, if it's synthetics, guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna melt. So be careful. Use the lowest heating setting. Well, not the lowest of lows, because then it won't do nothing, but where you can feel the heat passing through your hair. And I'm not sure what the 15 or the 20 mark on this flat iron is equivalent to, because it doesn't say. So I don't know. Sis. Couldn't tell you. I just love the bigger flat irons because it gets all the strands of hair, and I just don't be having the time to sit here and press out each section. That looks good. Period. Let's fix this side. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of the video. So this is what the hair turned out like. I didn't curl it or anything. I just literally just placed it behind here. I love the texture of this hair because it is kinky, like a kinky texture, so definitely resembles and matches my own texture of the hair. However, I did have some shedding with this unit. Now when I created a part, as you guys seen in a video, I did a side part. I did not like how it was looking or laying, so I just went ahead and did a middle part. Up in here it's very thick, and being that it's a kinky curly texture, you just have to make sure it's, you know, laid flat. I didn't pluck it because with Swiss, I don't know if you guys noticed, synthetic units are really harder to pluck if the lace on the unit is not if the unit is not like full lace. It does have like a 4x4 lace on there, but when I was pulling it, I noticed that it was just doing something weird. So I did not want to risk poking a hole into my unit by trying to pluck it. So like I said, you're able to go in and pluck because it does give you like a perimeter and a little section here you can play with, but I personally didn't. I just put foam wrap lotion and then flatten it out. I know plucking it would have been a better alternative for it to lay down more seamlessly, but the way it was pulling out, I did not want to risk poking a hole or, you know, creating holes in my unit. So overall, this unit is cute. 𝚬𝚑. It's simple. I feel like it's for my ladies out there who don't like color but do. You also can get this in jet black. You don't have to get the mixture of color, but like I said, for those of you who just don't like full color, highlights is another alternative, and it's not heavy on the hair. As you can see the color, but it's not, you know, it's not doing too much. So yeah, I really love this unit. Overall, like I said, had a little time up here, you know, the way it's styling and stuff like that. Trying to flatten it out, did have run across some problems, but just use foam wrap lotion and use your flat iron and it will be okay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.